हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है।
Side of students, and surprisingly or rather shockingly, no one is even talking about it. First and foremost, I would like to explain to you
हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है।
that why this NEET G is very important and which must be discussed by everyone as of today. There are 26 lakh students who are scheduled to appear in these exams, and their age group is about 16 years to 18 years. Considering their tender age, it is likely that their parents will, or at least one parent will definitely accompany them to the examination center. And the issue is not now only pertaining to the right to health and right to life of the students alone, but also of their parents. When they'll go back to their homes, they'll be having grandparents, small children, small siblings and all, and they may also get infected. So this issue is very large issue. This can
हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है।
lead to a disaster in my view, and this definitely requires an urgent intervention by the government also and by the court also. Now coming back to the question which you have put,
but
why on the Supreme Court?
Yes.
Yeah. I must
go ahead. That's what I want to know. That's what I want to know. That what were the real reasons? What were the real legal reasons because of which the Supreme Court believes that these exams must be conducted?
Right. Till today, till the last, I think 2-3 hours back, I checked the order passed in our case on Monday has not yet been uploaded on the
हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है।
Supreme Court website. So I won't be able
to one moment. No, Alok. Yeah, Alok, one moment. Alok, I want you to say that again because I think it's extremely important what you just said. You are saying an order which was delivered on Monday, an order which directly impacts the lives of, lakhs of students who are appearing for these JEE and NEET exams. That order today, we are on Wednesday, it has not been uploaded. A 35-page order which was delivered at 11 a.m. today in the morning in Sushant Singh Rajput's case has been uploaded. And everybody has read it.
Absolutely.
So I'm only, to all my viewers who are watching this program, to all the viewers who are watching this program, I say this each night to you. It's up to you. The remote is with you. You need to figure out what matters more for you. If your son, your daughter today is with you and watching this broadcast, you can clap your hands and you can say, Kitna maza aaya wo, dekho, Riya Chakravarti is a real villain. Put her behind bars. For all I know, maybe Sushant Singh Rajput indeed was killed. But I want you to ask yourself, viewers, please tell me, what is it that matters to you? Your own child, your own relative, struggling with anxiety today, and nobody talking about it? Or your great satisfaction in seeing something which is happening in the tinsel town? The choice is completely yours. Alokji, do go ahead.
The grounds which I took or we took before Honorable Supreme Court on Monday were that there is directly violation of right to life of all the students and their parents. These are all very young students, and they are definitely going to have a lot of anxiety also before exam, and after exam many of them can be badly affected. We also cited recent exams which took place in Karnataka, like Karnataka CT and UP B.Ed, etc., where all the SOPs which have been talked about by the government were only found to be on paper, nothing was implemented on the ground, and many students were found to be infected after appearing in these exams. Half of them did not even appear in these exams because of the fear of getting infected by COVID. So we emphasized over the right to life argument. And we also emphasized over a very pertinent point. On 3rd July, NTA had postponed these two exams solely on the ground of COVID. On 3rd July, the total number of confirmed cases in India were only 6 lakh. Today, we have 27 lakh cases. If we go by the same logic of NTA, then also these exams must be postponed. And we also tried to highlight the tender age of these students. They are hardly 16 to 17 years of age. However, Honorable Supreme Court was on a different reasoning. Honorable Supreme Court was of a view that we can't indefinitely delay the session, and we can't just delay it for any indefinite time.
Why was the order? Alok, what I want to know, why do you think the order which was delivered on Monday, must have delivered Monday during the day, the Supreme Court functions till 4 o'clock. Why is it that now here we're on a Wednesday? Why is it? Why is it on 19th of August? At this time the order has not been uploaded.
Yeah. We are also very much surprised because it generally never happens. Order gets uploaded in a day or two maximum. We are eagerly waiting for that order because we may be exploring the option of review, or we may be even going for another application because now the cases of suicide are also coming.
It's a question of priorities. I'm not on legalities. I'm on a question of priorities right now. I'm saying an order in the case of a film star which gets delivered at 11 a.m. gets uploaded before the end of the day, and everybody's reading that order and everybody's coming to their own opinions. In a case which directly impacts lives of people, lives of students, priorities. Raman Singh, Jyotirudita Raman Singh is an aspirant and who's wanting to get into the IITs. Raman, good evening. I hope you're holding on well. Raman, tell me, just give me a straight answer, Raman. Are you really in a position to face up to these exams?
No, sir, I'm not in position to face this exam. I want to say that it is better to be safe rather than sorry. It is easy to form SOP sitting in a AC room, but the harsh reality is that we can't really follow.
हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है। हमारे लिए बच्चे की सुरक्षा पहले है और उसके बाद शिक्षा दूसरा है।